Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to or welcome back to Season Beauties. Our video on today, I'm trying to help wrap up this giveaway. First of all, let me start off by apologizing. I apologize from the bottom of my heart, but there was nothing I could do about this. I was so sick. There are some things that you just can't control. And when you don't feel well or you have the flu or the pain is just excruciating, well, that's where I was. That's where I was. I'm not making excuses. I just want to apologize and I want to get y'all to your giveaway items. I am so excited to really get this giveaway done because I'm so appreciative of the Season Beauties community. I call it the Season Beauties family, okay? And I really do appreciate all of you. I know we've had some challenges over this last 7-8 months. The algorithm has been whacked out completely. And my videos, for whatever reason, just were not getting through. But I'm very grateful for those of you who found your way back to me. So let's just get down to what we really need to accomplish right here, and that is getting this giveaway done. I wanted you to have your gifts on the way to you by now, so we're gonna fix it. All right, so first off, of course, we'll pick up where we left off, but I want to tell you the first question is already out there, and what we said was it was going to be 3 questions that I needed you to give me the correct answer to. And for those of you who give me the correct answer, your names will be fed into our winner generator. Okay, so the first one still stands. Now, I've already asked that question, and because I did that video before I got sick, we're not going to go over that one again. That's already out there. And so that answer, correct answer from you still applies. However, I will say, if you can answer that question and then add on as many correct answers that go along with that, each one will be an additional entry. Okay, how about that? So we're going to pick up from right there. And I know I said it was going to be 3 questions. And it's still going to be, but I need 2 correct answers from 2 different questions. I'm still going to put out there 3 of them. And if you can name all 3, that's wonderful. Correctly. Answer them correctly. But if you answer the 2, I will still include you. I will still include you. However, those of you who answer 3 or can give me more for the first question, each additional correct response will give you an additional entry. Okay, that's how we're going to do this. All right, because it wasn't on y'all, it was on me. And so because that was the case, I need to make this a little bit smoother and we want to get it done. Now, so that is how this will work. We'll go over everything again at the end, but that's how it's going to work. Today is December the 27th. Oh my God, this was supposed to be finished a week ago. Okay, nonetheless, we're going to get it done and we're going to get you your giveaway gifts. Okay, so today being the 27th, I'm going to give you 2 days to get your correct answers. You can go back and watch videos if you want to, that's fine. But anybody that is a seasoned beauty and has been for a while, these answers, because I'm not putting anything out there that's over the top that's going to require, let's say, encyclopedia research. We're not doing that. Okay. I've been a part of this YouTube community for, oh my God, 6 years now. 6 years. Okay. And granted, I did not start off full time and even now still not full time, but I appreciate y'all and I'm bringing it to you, whatever it is that I have, and I ask you whatever it is that you may want, to see. I'm here for it. I am here for you, and I appreciate you coming here for me. Okay, so you have 2 days to get your correct answers to me. I will, on the 30th, respond with who the winners are. Now remember, 5 of them. We have 5 giveaways. We're going to have 5 winners. So on the 30th, all 5 winners will be announced. Okay. After that, you then have 2 days to let me know, yes, I'm that winner. Yeah, I want my stuff. Absolutely. Okay. And when you do that, I will verify you and get that information sent to you. And information, you don't want information, you want your giveaway gift. So I will get that giveaway gift sent to you, and I will also send you your tracking information. Okay, so once again, we're going to go over this free and clear. Okay, because of this, and as a matter of fact, I'll tell you what it was. I had the flu so bad. And the first day I sound like Froggy. So there was no way I could get those 2 videos out because it practically would have been inaudible. You know, it was just that bad. And then for the situation, those of you who know, and those of you who don't, I'm going to put a very old video up here so you know exactly what the issue is that I have with my back. And so the 2 of those together made it practically impossible for me to get out of my bed. It was extremely, extremely painful. But that was then. This is now. I'm up and we're going to get this done. Okay? So to say thank you to all of my over 10,396 subscribers. Thank you. As a matter of fact, let me show you something that I received. When I got this in the mail, I'm like, wait, I don't have 100,000 subscribers. Why would I be getting a plaque? That can't be it. However, that is our 2026 goal. That is our 2026 goal. By this time next year, we're going to have over 100,000 subscribers on this channel. But I do want to show you something that was sent to me, and I am grateful for everything that YouTube sends my way. I'm definitely appreciative of it. So what did they send me? They sent me a YouTube clapboard. Seasoned Beauties is the channel that will be listed right here. Our videos. We're going to try and get every video done on the first, I'll give myself a little grace, or second take, okay? So I'm grateful for this as well. All right, thank you, YouTube, very much, very much. And I'm going to keep going, and all of you who make these things possible for me to receive, okay? So that is our goal for this coming year. 100,000 subscribers. Okay. So in order for us to get them, we got to get this algorithm fixed, or, you know, up our game with the type of videos that we are putting out there, you know. So whatever it is that you want to see, let your girl know. I got you. Okay. Now, the other thing is all of the giveaway items you've all seen. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this right now. And like I said, I do appreciate you finding your way back to me. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here right now. Okay, so what we're doing for our 2025 mega giveaway, we have 3 questions that I need correctly answered by you. Okay, the first one has already been put out there. Okay, so that one, you must give me the correct answer to that, and any other correct information that goes along with that. The more correct answers that you put in there, the more entries you will get. Okay, now instead of it just being the 3 questions. I'm giving you the opportunity to answer 2 and still be included. So that one counts. And now there are 2 taglines for the Seasoned Beauties channel. Do you know what they are? Do you? Tell me. Tell me so I know that you know. If you give me one of them, you will still be entered. But if you give me 2, you will get an extra entry. Okay? I'm looking out for y'all. I'm trying to fix, my snafu. Trust me, it wasn't intentional, but I want to make it a little easier. So that is what I have chosen to do. So if you can give me correct answers to those questions, and you are a subscriber to the Seasoned Beauties channel, you must be a subscriber, okay? You must be a subscriber, okay? Now, in addition to that, you have to be a United States resident. This is not an international giveaway, unfortunately. This time, I'm going to try and figure out something where I can include our international subscribers, because I appreciate you too. So, but for right now, this one is not an international giveaway. So you must be a U.S. citizen, okay? Now, you have until the 29th to get your correct answers to me by midnight Eastern Standard Time on the 29th. Then on the 30th, I will notify via video who the winners are. Then you have 2 days. That means the 31st and the 1st. So by midnight on the 1st, maybe I better say by noon Eastern Standard Time on the 2nd. I'm trying to give you party people that may have a hangover a little bit of time, okay? So by noon on January the 2nd, 2026, I need to have you notify me that you are the winner. It's me. I'd like to get my stuff, okay? And as long as you do that, you will be hearing from me to verify who you are and where I'll be sending your gift items to, okay? So I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we showcase this video, talk a little bit more about our mega giveaway for 2025. Make sure you thumbs up this video, like it, comment. You know what your comment has to be. All right. I need you in this video, okay, this one right here, to let me know what your answers are, your correct answers, okay? And then go ahead and we'll take care of the rest. This video only. I'm not searching back through videos to find out if you answered. It has to be in the comment section of this video. Okay? Now, in addition to that, if you have not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. You know we'd be more than happy to have you, right? It's easy on the pocket because it is free. Now, share this video. Share what Seasoned Beauties is all about. Help me get to that 100K for 2026. Okay? Can you help your girl do that? I would so greatly appreciate it. All right? So make sure you share it. But most importantly, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.